One more question of quadratic equation class 10. It says sum of a natural number and its positive square root is 132. We have to find these number. So what we can do, let's say, let the two numbers be, like if I say x, right? If I take one as x, and the other will be what? It's positive square root, that is root x. And this is what given to us. And there's sum, according to question, if I write, according to question, it says the number and its square root, their sum is 132. This is what obtained. Now let's see what we can do here. First of all, we write down in the standard form. And then you see it's difficult to solve like this as there's an under root. So what you can do here, you can take, let's say, let under root x is equal to y. Then if I do squaring both sides, I'll get square of under root is x, right? And square root of y is y squared. Now say if I replace this x, right? If I replace this x with what? Replace x with, just a second. This is x, and if I replace this value, yes, I mean to say that we have this value as x, and if this x is, if it is replaced with y square, right? And I can see that this under root x, right? This under root x can be replaced with what? The under root x is y, isn't it? So if I do so, we have a new equations where x will be replaced with y square and under root x from here, right? From here will be replaced with y minus 132 equal to 0. Now you see we got a quadratic equation. From 132, which is 12 into 11, I can split this 1y as 12y minus y, minus 11y minus 132 equal to 0. So y is common from the first two. So it is y plus 12. And I take minus 11 common. So again, y plus 12 equal to 0. Now after that, we'll be taking common to get the value of y. So let's make some space. I can see this is y plus 12 is common throughout, and then this is y minus 11 equal to 0, equating y plus 12 equal to 0, and then y minus 11 with 0. What do we get here? We get y as minus 12 or y as 11. Now you see, they are talking about their positive square root. So therefore this value will be discarded. We'll discard this value as it is not possible, right? So we'll say this is not possible as it is. As you can see, it is about a positive square root. So we'll cancel this. So we got y as 12, 11. Now remember, we don't have to get the value of y. Instead, we have to get the value of x here. So what should we do here? What is x here? Let's say, as from here, right? From this equation, what do we have? X as y square. And we have to get x not y. So replacing y with 11, we get x is equal to 121. Therefore, this is going to be our final answer.